Hi guys, I want to talk about the First Aid Beauty. This is the Ultra Repair Barrier Cream by First Aid Beauty, and I purchased this a while back ago and I've been using it off and on. I haven't been using it every day, but I have been using it now for quite some time, enough to feel confident enough to give my review and how it's been working on my skin. This currently retails at Sephora and at the First Aid Beauty website for like $30. This little jar is a 1.7 ounces of product. It's fragrance free. It's part of like the clean skincare line of Sephora, and also that it says that it's good for sensitive skin or combination skin and for normal skin. It doesn't really say that it might be good for like dry skin. But one of the reasons why I decided to go ahead and purchase this is because it says it helps with dullness of the skin and it evens out skin texture, which is what I need. So I decided to go ahead and try this out. This cream says that, we can apply it during the day or at night. Me personally, I like to apply this just at night. This is the consistency. I really didn't pay attention when I was ordering online. I thought it was going to be a cream, but when I got it and I opened the jar at home, I was kind of surprised on the consistency because it's like very airy. It looks like whipped cream. When I saw that it was kind of airy and it looked like whipped cream, I said to myself, oh no, that means that it's just air and I'm not getting a lot of product and I'm going to end up using this up really fast. But after using this, that has not been the case for me, at least because I don't have dry skin. I feel like if you do have dry skin, something like this would work more as a serum, and then you'll need like another heavier moisturizer to moisturize your skin. But for me, I don't really have dry skin. My skin is pretty normal, but it's sensitive and acne prone. So for me, I feel like just a little bit of this is enough for my skin to feel moisturized. And that's usually what I do. Like, I'll wash my face, and then when my face is still a little bit damp, I'll apply a little bit of this on my face, and that is more than enough. I don't need to apply another face moisturizer on top of this because on the website it says that you can also use this as a serum and apply another additional moisturizer on top of this. But I feel that for me, I don't really need that. Just this alone is enough for me. And what I notice is just how moisturized my skin feels, and it just feels nice and soft. Even the next day when I touch my face, it just feels nice and soft and really hydrated. So I really like this product. This product, I don't use it every day because I do like to use my azelaic acid. And when I use that, I don't like to use this because this seems to really intensify the azelaic acid and really is going to kind of just irritate my skin and break me out. So for that reason, I don't really use this one. I feel like it's a little bit more intense. It has the hyaluronic acid, it has the ceramides, it has the oxygent, which makes this looks like whipped cream, and it also helps penetrate the product into the skin and makes my skin feel just nice and soft and moisturizing. And yeah, I really like the effects of this. Really have not used it during the day. During the day, I feel like it would be too much for me. I just like to wear sunscreen during the day, and at night I just wash my face and apply this. I do see myself repurchasing this in the future, especially when Sephora has those VIP sales. I will be on it when I finish this jar up because I think it's really good for my skin, and my skin really likes it. It doesn't break me out. So yeah, guys, thank you for watching. Don't forget to rate, comment, and subscribe. See you on my next video. Bye!